Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to get accepted to Monzo. Monzo is a digital bank that has been gaining a lot of popularity in recent years, and for good reason. They offer a number of features that make them a great choice for both personal and business banking. But before we get into the details of how to get accepted to Monzo, let's take a step back and talk about why you might want to consider using them in the first place. Why Monzo? There are a number of reasons why you might want to consider using Monzo. Here are a few of the most popular reasons. No monthly fees. Monzo doesn't charge any monthly fees for your account. This can save you a lot of money in the long run. Free international spending. Monzo doesn't charge any fees when you spend abroad. This makes them a great option for travelers. Cashback rewards. Monzo offers cashback rewards on a number of purchases. This can help you save even more money. Easy to use. Monzo is very easy to use. The app is well designed and intuitive, and you can manage your finances from anywhere. Great customer service. Monzo has a great customer service team that is always available to help you. How to get accepted to Monzo. Now that we've talked about why you might want to consider using Monzo, let's talk about how to get accepted to them. The good news is that it's relatively easy to get accepted to Monzo. All you need to do is follow these steps. Download the Monzo app. The first step is to download the Monzo app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Create an account. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll need to create an account. You'll need to provide your name, address, date of birth, and other personal information. 1. bold-taxi.com. bold-taxi.com. Verify your identity. Once you've created an account, you'll need to verify your identity. You can do this by providing a copy of your passport, driving license, or national ID card. Provide your bank details. Once you've verified your identity, you'll need to provide your bank details. This will allow Monzo to set up direct debits and transfers. Wait for your card. Once you've completed the above steps, you'll need to wait for your Monzo card to arrive. This usually takes a few days. Tips for getting accepted to Monzo. Here are a few tips for getting accepted to Monzo. Make sure you meet the eligibility criteria. Monzo is only available to UK residents who are 18 or older. You must also have a valid form of identification. Be honest about your income. When you apply for a Monzo account, you'll be asked about your income. Be honest about your income, as this will help you get approved. Provide all the required information. Make sure you provide all the required information when you apply for a Monzo account. This will help you avoid delays. Check your credit score. Your credit score can affect your chances of getting accepted to Monzo. If you have a low credit score, you may need to provide additional information or documentation. What to do if you're rejected? If you're rejected for a Monzo account, don't give up. There are a number of reasons why you might be rejected, and many of them are easily fixable. Here are a few things you can do. Check your credit score. If your credit score is low, you can try to improve it by paying off debt and making on-time payments. Provide additional information. If you were rejected because you didn't provide enough information, you can try to provide additional information. Appeal the decision. If you believe that you were unfairly rejected, you can appeal the decision. Getting accepted to Monzo is a relatively easy process. Just follow the steps outlined in this article and you should be able to get approved. I hope this article has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new about how to get accepted to Monzo. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.